Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see private account on Twitter without following them. So the first thing what you can do is go and search for the Twitter handle that is private. So as you can see, this Twitter handle is private, and that means that we cannot see their tweets or the post until we follow them. So what you can do is you can go on hand back on the search bar, and what should you do is you should search for the handle, but this time not click on the suggestion given by the Twitter. So do not click on the suggestion that's given by Twitter. Go ahead and click on search. After you write the handle, you just go ahead and click search after writing the handle, and what that will do is it will give us a search of everything related to that handle. And as you can see, we can see all the tweets that involve our handle, and that is all the information that you can actually pull. And that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.